direction. Spin without a thought, we do it reckless. Your nigga call us texting. You said, baby, don't be mad, you know how break it.
Hey y'all, I'm back with another wig review, unboxing, and install, so let's jump right into it. Today we are working with MEGALOOK Hair. This is a brand that I love. They just send me quality wigs every single time. They're just awesome. So let's get into what they sent me and what's in this package. As y'all can see, the bag was full, okay? Full bag of goodies. They gave me some lashes, super duper cute. Those are tea. They gave me an edge brush. I always need extra of those. They sent me some HD wig caps per usual. They sent me this little hair clip. How cute is that? Also, the MEGALOOK melting band. And this is the unit, y'all. And do y'all see that right there? 30 inches. Thumbs up. Yeah, that's my speed right there. This is what it looks like in the bag. And as y'all can see, this is a little bit of color today. So, yeah, this is the unit, y'all. Full 13x4 frontal. Adjustable band in the back. Again, just showing y'all the inside, showing y'all the color again, the luster, the length. Like, look at this color, look at the length, look at the bounce, luster. Definitely tea, y'all. Like, this wig right here, super cute, super bomb. Showing y'all the hairline, which I think is pre-plucked. I didn't have to really pluck anything, didn't have to bleach nothing. So yeah, let's jump right to this install. I'm just showing y'all, I did put makeup on this lace like I do all my lace to help tint it and get it to match my skin tone. And this is what it's looking like. It just looks so cute already like this, right? Bow, 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 bow. So what are we thinking today? Like curl, straight? I kind of want to do both, but like I don't even know if I have time to be doing my two hairstyles tonight. But I kind of want to do like a straight deep side part, and I want to do some like big, you know, Hollywood big pretty voluminous, you know, curls also. But like I just don't know what is it giving. Y'all, this lace is so freaking like long. Look how far down it's going. So I gotta cut off quite a bit. Two, this color is really growing on me already. Y'all know I'm not really too into doing like too many different colors and stuff like that. But like this right here, this might be cool. I don't know. We gonna see once I finish it and have my makeup done and everything. But I mean, it's kind of like, she kind of giving something, I'm not gonna lie. So let's cut off this extra lace over here by my ear. Okay, so boom, right here. Just cutting off the extra ear tabs like I mentioned. This is very simple. Just cut it enough to fit around your ear comfortably. Cause I fuck you, that don't mean I trust you, I don't. You got some high hopes. Baby, from crazy not to you about me. I was nothing at all. Took a trip to London just to hear how they talk. Okay. Just to watch how we ball. I ain't never home for lunch. Pull up when I call. All of the niggas respect me. And then same thing to the other side, and that's how much I ended up cutting off. Right here, I'm just parting out where I want my side part to be. And then parting out also my baby hairs and my sideburns. I just really loved how the hair looked like right here, and it was fluffy like this. I don't know, I just be loving the hair in its natural state. Like when I first get it, sometimes like I just be want to wear it out just like that, like cut off the extra lace and just wear it in its natural state like that. But yeah, right here I'm just hot combing my baby hairs and laying them down flat in the direction I want them to lay. You don't have to do that step, but I just do that because I feel like it makes my install process a little easier. Doing the same thing to the other side, being careful not to burn myself, and then taking my alcohol and my cotton pad and cleaning my hairline really good. Yeah, I was laughing because I was listening to like a little TikTok Bible study sermon thing. I be listening to my little sermons and my Bible studies, and he was cracking jokes, y'all. So I be watching TikTok like TV. I was so into that. But yeah, here's the Even Wonder Lace Bond Spray. Y'all know that's my go-to. Spraying that on my hairline really good, saturating my hairline, and then just letting that get tacky just for a second, because that stuff dries quick, y'all. I say that all the time in my videos, but like, you really will spray that coat on and then look away and do something and then try to lay on the wig, and the glue be dry. Like, it don't be nothing to lay it on. So definitely don't let it air dry too long, because it will dry fast. And then I'm just pressing my lace in, taking my comb and like pushing it in, and that really helps to like help the lace stick. And y'all, that Even when the lace bond works, okay? My wig be stuck when I be doing that. Like, it don't take no time for that to stick. So band on, cut the baby hairs out my face, and now after I'm done dancing, we are hot combing the top of the wig flat. Y'all know the drill on this part. I just sped this up real fast. Wax stick, hot comb, part, repeat, wax stick, hot comb, part out another section. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right here.
Understand what I'm about to tell you. You need to do something first. You need to believe in the impossible. Can you do that?
This is called paper chasing.
Okay, then I finished that side. Wig was on flats. It was looking real cute, and I swear y'all could have walked out the house just like that and felt like that girl. Because I mean, the natural wave eats. Like, the hair is already straight, the hair is cute. I really could just cut off the lace and like do some little messy baby hairs and really wear my hair out the house like that. Like, and that gives, you know, it just gives like effortless, because it already came with a little bit of waves in it. So yeah, doing the same thing to this side. And y'all can see I really sped this up, because y'all, I just had so much clips of me doing that, hot combing and putting wax on the hair. I'm like, oh my god, I think they get the point. So sped that up, trim ends just a little bit. Y'all see I barely cut anything off. For this hair to be 30 inches, that little piece right there, that's all I cut, just so it can have like a little blunt look at the ends. Taking my cheese silk infusion to give this hair some luster, shine, moisture. I think I might actually put a little bit too much, because it was looking a little greasy right there on like the left side. Y'all see it was looking a little greasy, but I just made sure to brush it in and rub it in really good, and you know, it worked out fine. And right here, taking my Babe Bliss flat iron, I don't know why I be butchering that name, and my comb, and just pressing out this hair. I think right here the flat iron had turned off, because I was just looking like, what is going on? Just pressing out this whole head really straight. I think I need a new flat iron, because I was just having to do too many passes, y'all. So I just cut this part a little short. I haven't just straightened my hair like this in a minute, y'all, but this right here, ooh, it's about to be real cute. And I cut the ends blunt. Let's get into it. I love it. I love it. Some bone straight hair, yes, sign me all the way up. And it's 30 inches, y'all. Like, all the hair can't even fit in the frame. Just know that this is literally 30 inches long. TAF. This camera is just so T. I'm literally in love, y'all. Alright, so I just switched my camera settings to 4K, which I thought they were already on. Apparently my camera was only on HD this whole time. So all these videos I've been filming that I thought were 4K, I mean, I knew they weren't 4K, because when I would go to upload them, it would just say 1080. But I'm like, I could have sworn this was a 4K camera. But I mean, honestly, this right here, to me, this looks the same as what it was just on. So hold on. Alright, so apparently this is 4K 30 frames per second, and we're just gonna see how different this is from the previous clips, because I don't know why I just assumed, like, why was it not in 4K to begin with? But we just gonna see how this looks once I upload it. This hot comb. Why do I always call the flat iron hot comb? Can somebody please tell me why I always do that? This flat iron is like so freaking hot, y'all, that the hair, when it falls on me, is burning so bad. So yeah, continue to press out this hair. At this point, the flat iron was hot. I don't know what's wrong with this flat iron. Sometimes it be hot, sometimes it don't. It's just giving I need a new one. But this one has lasted me a very long time. Like, I've been using this hot comb since I started doing wig influencing. So she's really that girl, because she still be getting hair straight. Like, look how straight it is. Yeah, T. I was feeling it too. I'm like, ooh, I love me some silky straight hair, even though I haven't been doing it lately. And boom, this is how the hair turned out once it was all pressed out, flat iron and pressed out. Bomb. Taking off the band, and look, melted, honey. I mean, like, that's tea. The hairline is giving, it's coming out my scalp. I don't know. Didn't pluck nothing, didn't bleach nothing, just tea. So right here, just cutting off this extra lace. Y'all know the drill. And then taking my baby flat iron. I almost said baby hot comb. Oh my god. I don't know why I can't say flat iron right. And curling up my baby hairs, taking my mousse, putting it on the edges, laying them down, and looking back at this, I could have plucked the edges a little bit more because it was looking a little bit dense. Like, I could have plucked right in this area a lot more for a more natural look, but you know, that's okay. I can always go back and pluck it later. And I'm just laying down the sideburns here with the mousse, you know, just getting them the shape I like. And yeah. Hi, guys.
I may have made y'all.
Whenever that happens, that's so annoying, because now look at these edges over here. Lord.
Just 'cause I fuck you, that don't mean I trust you. I don't. You got some high hopes.
Look at the sideburns. Just look how good they look. TAF, like, they look so cute. Ugh, I love. And the side part, yeah. You gotta love it. So I'm trying to decide if I want to put any layers into this hair. I kind of just like how it's just long though. I like how some hair just be long, especially like 30-inch hair. Layers is always cute. But with long hair like this, when it just be long, I kind of just want to leave it like this, you know? There's slightly like already layers in the front, so what I think I'm gonna do is just clean them up a little bit. But I'm not gonna add no like extra layers into this hair because I want this to be long. I'll just do a little.
I ain't built like them. It gotta work for me. Just 'cause I haunt you, it don't mean.
So now we're just gonna let this band sit, do our makeup, and then come back with the final looks, you guys. And boom, this is how the hair turned out, y'all. Look at this install. T AF. Like, this is tea, so bomb. Like, I just love this. Look at the luster on hair, the shine, the color, the fact that we got a full 13x4 frontal, so I could do a deep side part. Like, this hair is just so freaking pretty, y'all. If you are looking for a wig in this color, a long, like, straight or body wave wig, then I would definitely recommend MEGALOOK Hair for your 30-inch wigs, because this right here is thick, she's long, full 13x4 frontal. The color is bomb. It pressed out really nicely. I didn't have to bleach anything, really didn't have to pluck, and it just turned out so tea. So yeah, y'all, that's this unit. Thank y'all so much for watching. Links to this wig down below in my description. Comment down the orange heart if you made it this far in the video, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.